Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to check laptop storage. So there is multiple way to check your laptop storage, but one of the simplest and easiest ways that you can simply right click on your this PC on your Windows laptops. In older versions, it is called My Computer. In newer versions, called this PC. So right click on this PC and select properties. Okay, then you will get this properties page, that means system about page, and here you can see the first option is storage. So I have 954 GB storage, and I'm used 184 GB, and 954 GB is used. Okay, so total 954 GB, and I'm used 184 GB. So in this way you can easily identify what is your system storage, and it is only show how much storage if you have totally, and that's guys, and there is no details about which kind of storage, that means hard disk or SSD or latest any newer technologies. So there is nothing mentioned, it is simply about your storage. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replay size video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.